Siging ano yaw-yaw. Ano, 5 bits. Yaw-yaw.
يو بعد ولا دي
Wala din. My glasses is dirty. Dirty.
ضبطي.
Where he will come?
He said now in the B hotel.
Guys, punta kami ng... Saan tayo punta? Carrefour. Saan?
Carrefour.
Yeah.
Century Mall.
Century Mall. Oh yeah.
نروح.
Tirik pa ng araw dito guys. Oh. Time check. What time now, mahal?
Time? It's
Yeah?
4:49.
4:09. No. 4:09.
Ano
In the
4:9?
afternoon. 4:09 sa?
What 4:09?
O diba guys, we are in Carrefour. Dun sa chocolates, mahal. Kasi si Chami nagpapabili din. Mahal, trolley. Mahal. Bring trolley. Maybe someone, mashallah guys. Ang daming sale. Uy, this is not for you. Mashallah, too much sale in Carrefour. We are in Carrefour na. So, let's have a look kung anong mabibili. Bibili ako ng mga chocolates. You don't know where is the trolley, Shuhaida? Naiba na yung place ng Mahal, tayo ng TV. Mag-check tayo ng TV. Ano to? No. Go in the chocolate first. And you want to buy rice or you still have? Nice guys, mashallah. Gusto ko talaga dito. Guys. Kasi spend 14. So how much the per piece?
Ay, magkano? 7 dirham lang.
No, doon nga 6 dirhams lang eh. Okay na. Gusto ko talaga dito guys kasi ang daming sale. Mahal yung chocolate. Oh, better na I buy here the biscuit. Ay, shifty?
This one said not good. Don't buy.
Lesh, baba.
I see in the
Yeah, this is the sale. Another side also have. You check na. Wait. Baby, this is the sale. You choose from here and tell me which one. Here is another side for the offer. Same in Lulu. Some of the chocolates same in Lulu. See this dairy? Same in Lulu. 10 dirhams. This one, see? Look. Wait. Here, this side. Only this side. And that another side. Here. Also. Here. Have also. This one. I want this one. Better this one. This one. This side. Okay, this is the chocolate side. Ayan. Hindi siya nagkasya guys. Ang galing talaga dito. Kasi nagsisale siya lagi. Nice siya. So, it's good thing para sa mga bibiyahe. Ang pasalubong. Yala, mashallah. Now we will transfer because it's full. Ito. Wait. Ito kay madam. Kay madam. Ito kay Soha. Wait, kay Soha. Ito kay Chami. And what else? Kay Chami din to. Ano pa yun? Kay Chami din siya. Ito, kanino to? Kay Ruji. What else? Anything else, mahal? You want more? Wait. So,
healthy.
yan, vegetable area. What else you need? Wait, don't do like that. Wait. Yung fresh na isda sa tayo. fish section. Diba? Yung salmon niya rin, oh. Hala, ang fresh ng tilapia. So, ayan na guys. Dito tayo sa vegetable area. Mahal, I will buy lemon. Okay, wait. Cucumber. Cucumber, please. Yeah. Bring 1 piece. You will not buy fish for the cucumber, please. Yeah, I need it.
Ready.
Hmm?
This one ready. Tomato. Go
Yeah.
Where you put them?
Down. It's okay. Inside. Mahal, you will not buy fish or something. Just good the talong. Masarap tong ensalada, torta. Yung ganito ba?
Ini torta, ito torta.
Ito mahal ko. Ayaw ko ng big, please. Gusto ko tong mga Filipino talong.
Yan.
Ito?
Tapos?
Wait kasi baka mag-fried tayo. I don't want too much big. I want medium ba? Medium talong. Wait na. Kalas. Go na may kilo. Kalas? Mapi kilo?
Mga bikalas only this two. And
I thought you buy You buy is the finish? Cleaning. Walang kangkong or something? Kangkong or something? So, ayan. No, I will buy mint for my water. Magbabayad na po kami. So, last for chami, please, mahal. Yan na muna. I tell, she will put in maybe 3 plastic, no? Ha? So, uwi na kami, guys. At hindi na namin alam kung saan to ilalagay. Maraming stock sa loob. Uwi na kami, guys. Maglalagay lang kami ng pinamili sa sasakyan. Okay.